Welcome to this module, where we'll dive into analyzing the performance of your current allergy-friendly menu offerings. Today, you'll learn how to evaluate key performance indicators, customer feedback, sales data, and compliance rates to spot your strengths and areas for improvement. Imagine a small urban eatery that introduced a new allergy-friendly menu. At first, sales were steady, but over time the owner noticed that some dishes weren't gaining traction while others quickly became customer favorites. Instead of guessing what worked and what didn't, the owner set up a system to track detailed feedback and sales patterns. Soon, patterns emerged. Certain dishes needed tweaking, portion sizes required adjustment, and some ingredients gave unexpected results. Without an organized method to track and analyze these details, it would have been like wandering in a maze blindfolded. By establishing clear metrics, the owner was able to transform their menu into a refined and profitable offering. Understanding the need for analysis, you might recall from our previous modules how establishing allergy-friendly menus boosts customer trust and safety. However, if you don't analyze how these menus perform, you miss out on learning what truly resonates with your customers. Many urban eateries face the challenge of proceeding with intuition rather than clear data. A recent industry survey shows that over 60% of restaurants that consistently monitor menu performance report higher customer satisfaction. In urban markets where choices are abundant, not measuring performance can lead to costly decisions that waste time and resources. What you will gain today, by the end of this module, you'll be able to understand which key performance indicators matter most for allergy-friendly menus. Use customer feedback and sales data to discover hidden insights. Identify compliance rates to ensure you meet essential health and safety standards. Apply actionable steps to refine and enhance your menu offerings based on solid analysis. Spotting the gaps. Many restaurateurs assume that simply adding allergy-friendly options will automatically satisfy customers. The truth is, without analyzing performance, you might be missing vital details. You may overestimate the popularity of certain dishes without proper feedback. Sales data might hide a decline in repeat purchases. Compliance checks may reveal hidden issues that could affect both customer safety and your restaurant's reputation. Expert insights, such as those in Bernard Marr's articles on key performance indicators and Roger Field's practical advice in restaurant success by the numbers, explain that a data-driven culture is essential. They emphasize that understanding the underlying numbers behind your operations can be the difference between guessing and making informed decisions. The framework, a closer look at performance measurement. Let's break down the framework for analyzing current menu performance in a practical and detailed way. 1. Identifying key performance indicators. Key performance indicators are measurable values that show how effectively your menu is performing. For allergy-friendly menus, consider the following metrics. Sales volume. Track the number of dishes sold. This helps you see which items attract more orders and which might need a recipe tweak or additional promotion. Customer feedback scores use surveys, comment cards, or digital reviews to gather feedback. A simple feedback prompt after each meal can provide insights about taste, presentation, and perceived safety. Compliance rates monitor adherence to allergy guidelines and regulations. This involves tracking any incidents of errors in order preparation or ingredient mislabeling. Repeat purchase rate. Understand how many customers return to try other dishes or reorder their favorite allergy-friendly options. 2. Analyzing customer feedback. To truly understand your performance, qualitative data is as important as quantitative data. Direct comments. Ask customers what they think immediately after their meal. A simple question like, "How did you find the new dish?" can open up honest insights. Digital reviews. Monitor online platforms, as they often include detailed customer experiences. Suggestion boxes. Whether physical or digital, these provide continuous, honest feedback that you might not receive otherwise. Experts widely recognize that customer feedback is the most direct indicator of satisfaction. Danny Meyer's insights in Setting the Table underscore the importance of listening closely to customer voices to build long-lasting trust. 3. Dissecting sales data. Numbers tell a story that feedback alone might not capture. Trends over time. Look at how sales of allergy-friendly items change over weeks and months. Are there seasonal ups and downs? This might reflect customer preferences affected by weather or specific events. Comparative analysis. Compare the performance of allergy-friendly items against your standard menu items. This can highlight whether specific modifications are needed. Profit margins. Understanding the cost versus revenue of these items helps you decide if an ingredient swap or recipe adjustment is necessary to maximize profitability. 4. monitoring compliance and safety standards. In the fast-paced urban dining world, meeting safety standards is not just about regulations, it's about trust. Regular audits. Schedule regular checks to ensure that food preparation follows all safety guidelines. Documentation. Keep detailed records of any issues that arise. Over time, these records are critical for spotting recurring problems that need addressing. Practical steps to analyze menu performance now. Let's go over some actionable steps that you can start implementing right away to analyze your current menu performance effectively. 1. Set up a data collection system. Create a basic dashboard that pulls daily sales numbers. Incorporate a simple survey at the end of the customer experience. Maintain a log for any compliance issues or safety incidents. 2. Regular meetings. Schedule weekly or monthly reviews of your KPI dashboard. Discuss feedback and data with your team, ensuring everyone understands the numbers. 3. Visualize your data. Use simple tools like spreadsheets or user-friendly software to create charts and graphs. Visual aids help quickly identify trends and outliers. This step is crucial for spot-on adjustments. 4. Benchmark against industry standards. Consult industry reports and guidelines, such as those recommended by Bernard Marr and insights from Restaurant Success by the Numbers. Understanding where you stand compared to industry averages provides context and drive. Tools and hacks to simplify your analysis. Here are a few practical guides to help streamline this process. Digital dashboards. Tools like Google Data Studio or Excel templates allow you to set up customizable dashboards that automatically update with daily sales and feedback. Survey platforms. Use Google Forms or SurveyMonkey to quickly gather customer impressions. Compliance software. Look for simple, cloud-based apps that track safety audits and issue reports, ensuring you can quickly address any discrepancies. Quick wins to implement today. You can start small and build momentum with these quick wins. Daily snapshot. Dedicate 5 minutes at the end of each day to look at your simple sales log and note any unusual changes. Instant feedback collection. Place a quick digital survey on your website or offer a tablet in your restaurant for immediate responses. Team huddle. Begin a daily 5-minute team huddle where you share one positive insight and one area for minor improvement based on the day's data. Your turn. Action steps. Set up your basic tracking system for sales and feedback. Schedule a regular review meeting in your calendar. Create or update your compliance checklist to ensure safety standards are met. Experiment with one new survey question this week to tease out more detailed customer insights. Looking ahead, in our next module, we'll explore how to integrate the feedback and data insights you've collected into tangible improvements. We'll learn how to turn raw data into practical changes that boost both menu design and operational efficiency. By connecting the dots between today's analysis and tomorrow's actions, you'll continue building a more successful allergy-friendly dining experience. Embrace these steps, and remember, the path to perfection is a continuous process of evaluating, learning, and refining. Let's get started on making your menu performance shine. If you want a supportive community, join our WAP where you have all the tools to succeed and surround yourself with people with the same goals. That is all for this module. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.